Hey, welcome to this quick installation of the app Front Action Automation for Workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, and then you click on it. Click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. Once you're done with your installation, reload the page, then head down to the custom page of the app. Click on it. This interface is going to pop up with all its assets, such as the documentation, and everything you need to begin your journey is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up. No worries, let's walk you through on how to connect your app. Click on the Start Setup, and you will be required an API token to complete your configuration. Head to the account which we've created online. Click on the Settings. Scroll up and click on your company. Then scroll down and choose Developers. Then you click on the API tokens. Click on Create an API token. You give a name. Then you select all the scopes right in here. And click on Create. Click on Reveal your token. And then click on Copy. Head back to the account and you paste. Click on Complete Setup. And your app will be successfully set up. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and schedule a one-on-one video session with the support team. And not forgetting the change log that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To stay updated, toggle on the notification button, insert your email, and then you click on subscribe. You've learned how to install, set up, and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides. Thanks for watching.